In this video, I'm gonna explain what the most effective way to sell your property is, and if your real estate agent isn't doing this, you may not get the money you deserve on the house, or you may not get an offer at all. Before I do that though, I have to lay a bit of a foundation. Exposure. Why is it so important in business and in sales? It's pretty simple actually. The more attention a brand, a company, an agent, a house can get, the more opportunities to transact there are. With that being said, wouldn't it make the most sense to market your property in the way that gets the most exposure? Yes, of course it does. So what marketing tactic is out there that gets the most exposure in today's day and age? I'm sure you guessed it right, video. A statistic from the National Association of Realtors says that listings with video generate 403% more inquiries than listings that don't. And they did another study that says that 51% of home buyers utilize YouTube as their #1 search tool when they are going out to obviously search for a house. So what do these two stats tell us? Well, buyers don't just want to see pictures of the property, they want to feel what it's like to live there. As you know, emotions play a huge role in the buying process, especially the home buying process, and where that emotion starts is on a screen. So let's put this all together. If we know that exposing your property to as many potential buyers as possible is what's gonna get your house sold for the most money in the quickest amount of time, and we know that the best way to get that exposure is video marketing, then it only makes sense that the most effective way to sell your property in 2024 is to hire an agent that utilizes video marketing at the highest level. If what I just said makes sense and you'd like to have a conversation about anything that I just said in the video, or if you just have any questions at all, feel free to give me a call. All of my details are in the description of this video.